Hey guys, this is Alison Z. Today I'm doing a bit of a comparison between green gas and propane on my Kriss Vector. For those that see my N.P.A.S review, you know I was a little bit disappointed with the maximum FPS I got out, which is just a little bit over 300. So I wanted to see what kind of results I get comparing these two types of gases. To give me the best kind of temperature boost that I can get, I've moved into my garage, which is a bit of a sweat box. In here it's 31.9 degrees Celsius, which if we change to Fahrenheit is 89.4 Fahrenheit. I don't normally game in this kind of temperature, so it's a little bit unrealistic for me, but I suppose others might be getting this kind of heat. What I'm going to do is run through the full mag and see what the highest and lowest FPS I get from each of the gases. One thing also to note that KWA don't recommend using propane, and it actually voids the warranty. I'm using a Airsoft Innovations propane adapter, which allows me to add a bit of silicone to protect the gun. So right, I'm going to do a bit of a chrono test and see what I get. So I'm using 0.2 gram BBs. I'm going to start with the green gas, see what I get. It's also worth noting that I've let the mag sit and adjust the room temperature, so I shouldn't get any cool down from filling them. So it should be the kind of the maximum opportunity I'm going to get for FPS out of this. So starting with the green gas. .49, done. Okay, so now I'm going to try out what happens with the propane. Yeah, you see I had a couple of touts in there, but it was alright. So I think that test has confirmed for me that propane's the best way to go. I mainly game in the outdoor arena, and having an extra 20 FPS is going to help me get the BBs on target quicker. The Kriss is incredibly accurate, happily tagging targets at 40 meters plus, and just getting those BBs there faster and a little bit extra range I'm going to get out of that FPS is just going to give me that advantage. I think the gun can easily handle it, and it might just be a bit more maintenance, but that's fine. I quite enjoy that. If I lived in a higher or a hotter climate, I might stick with the green gas, but in New Zealand, where you see 23 to 27 or so as a standard temperature, the propane's going to be fine. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that, and that might help you make a decision whether to use green gas or propane in your Kriss.